Hello everybody, tutors and classmates. This is my introduction video that I want to share with you. My name is John Salazar. I'm 42 years old. I live in the Loma town, Cesar. My cell phone number is 315-365-HHH9. I'm registered in the 6th semester of bachelor's degree in English as a foreign language. My email address is freddysalacorrea211lo@hotmail.com. I like listening to music in English, and I hate or dislike the hypocritical and liar person or people. My expectation about this great course is to learn all possible of my tutor and classmates, and of this way to improve all my abilities. About my English learning process, I have done 3 short English courses along my life before entering the university. One of these courses I did at Sena Virtual. I did Basic 1, Basic 2, Basic 3, and Intermediate 1. But the listening always has been the most difficult ability to develop in this process. The method that I use to improve my listening ability is to listen English music. I think what makes a good English learner is the responsibility and compromise. Thanks a lot and blessing for us.